Hello dear student and welcome back for a new lesson. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about a new robot called Edison, which is as you see in our lesson here, Meet Edison robot. So let's start. And our objective for today, we are going to talk about what is Edison robot. Then we are going to meet Edison robot. We are going to talk about the parts of Edison or the sensor that's inside the Edison robot and how to program it in a simple way, which is called barcode programming. What is Edison robot? Edison is a programmable robot designed to be a complete STEM teaching resource for coding and robotics education for all ages. Edison is Lego compatible, which means you can make a bigger project with this tiny robot. And we are going to see that later on, if not in this session, in the session afterwards.
Hi, I'm Brenton. Come and meet Edison, the super affordable robot for learning and inventing. Edison is Lego compatible, easy to program, and comes with many preloaded features that are activated by driving over barcodes. I created Edison because I believe robotics is a fun way to understand digital technology. For students, learning by doing has never been easier. For teachers, lessons become fun and engaging. For schools, Lego-like robotics is now truly affordable. So, let's see what Edison can do. For a start, Edison can see and hear by using infrared light and sound sensors. He can find his way around obstacles, sense light levels, detect lines, and respond to sound commands. With pre-installed programs, Edison is fun right out of the box. Just add batteries, print some barcodes, and start exploring. You can also control Edison with standard TV and DVD remotes. Controlling Edison is really easy. You can learn programming skills in an entertaining and engaging way. The Edware program uses drag and drop graphical icons to make programming simple to learn. And thanks to Edcom, there's no problems with USB compatibility. Edison is Lego compatible, allowing him to grow into a much bigger robot or a completely new invention. For robotics enthusiasts, Edison can be used as a basic building block for advanced projects. Edison has been built tough. How tough? Well, tough enough to be driven over by a car and still work. My goal is to make robotics accessible to all students. I'd love you to join me in revolutionising robotics for education. So, what will you invent?
Now, let's talk about the sensors inside this robot, as I told you before. This robot has many sensors. The first one is called sounder or sound sensor. It can hear the sound. We have the control buttons 1, 2, 3 to control the robot, start the robot and stop the robot or program the robot. We have the microcontroller which control the whole robot. We have the infra light receiver. We have here, as you see, these tiny holes. They are Lego post holes. Here we have the light sensor. At the bottom, we have line tracking sensor. Here we have the infrared light transmitters. And we have two red LED lights. This year we are going to program Edison using the barcodes. This is the list of the barcodes and these are some of them, not all of them. So the first one is called clap controlled driving. Next one is called line tracking, to follow the line. This one to move when you clap. This one to avoid obstacles. And the one which we are going to apply later on a video here is called light following, follow the torch or flashlight.
Activity 4 is follow a torch. Edison has two light sensors, the light sensors let Edison see the light. The barcode below has a built-in program. The program makes Edison follow the brightest light. So we're going to use a flashlight today. It is going to be the brightest light that Edison can see. And once again, we have to scan in that barcode, place him on the outline, push the circle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The triangle activates. The square stops. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. He has the code in him. He's programmed. Now we just need to activate with a flashlight in front of him. He will follow that flashlight. Follow that torch. Here we go. He's looking for the light. He's looking for the light. He's following the light. He sees the light. He's following it all the way around. Good job, Edison. I'm going to push stop.
I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for your attention and stay safe. See you in the next one.